Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI on Android. So first, you just have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then type Gemini or Gemini AI. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click the very first link that you can see. Tap Gemini, and this is what it looks like. So here you can just basically ask anything. Make sure that you're logged into your account. You can click not now to install or add this to your home screen, and then tap this three dots, scroll down, and then you have to click this add to home screen. You can install or create a shortcut. So I'm going to tap create shortcut and then add Gemini. Click add. Then, if I'm going to exit from Google web browser, then I can see here the Gemini logo, and all I have to do is to open. So once you're here, you can ask anything like how's the weather today or how's the weather today in New York, something like that. And then click this arrow facing to the right. And then after that, you just have to wait for Gemini's answer. Also, you can see this picture right here, picture icon. You can basically add a picture right here and then ask to generate something out from the picture, or you can also ask a picture. For example, can you give me or show me a picture of a British car or a car from something like this and like that, and tap this arrow facing to the right. Now you have to wait for Gemini to ask. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, it's the same thing. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Gemini AI on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.